Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this might be the shortest video I've ever made, but it's a pretty neat little deal. When you select the rectangle tool and you hold down your left mouse button, you're pretty much stuck where you started. That upper left-hand corner is there. But at the same time, if you will push down your right mouse button, you can start it at a new spot and then just let go and your box is there. This will work with everything. Let's just make a perfect circle. And I actually didn't make it perfect. Before I let it go, I can hold down both buttons basically. Let's try that again with a perfect circle. And then I'm going to hold down the right mouse button at the same time and put it where I want to put it. It's a pretty neat little feature. It'll do it with anything. See, you're stuck in that left-hand corner unless you hold down your right button, and then you can move it where you want to move it. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.